Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to log into the Buddy AI application. So first of all, launch open the Buddy AI app on your device and make sure that you're inside this home page. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Go ahead and enter your date of birth, and then on the next page, you'll be able to see the General tab. Click on Account and click on Sign In. Go ahead and enter your phone number, or you can also sign in with your Apple account, Google account, or your email. I'm just gonna select the email option and I'm gonna type in my email address over here and then enter the password on the next field. Finally, click the sign in button, and there you have successfully logged into your Buddy AI account. Now you can start using Buddy AI right away. Logging in is quick once you know the steps, so now that you're inside Buddy AI, you can go ahead and explore and make the most out of its features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.